Most people waste weeks trying to build a brand, but today, I'll show you how to create a high-ticket brand in minutes using ChatGPT. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a designer, you'll learn how to create visual brand concepts without endless back and forths or expensive design tools. Let's dive into how you can quickly bring your brand vision to life. The traditional branding process. Branding traditionally involves an extensive process. It starts with researching your audience and competitors, followed by a lot of back and forth with designers. You search for inspiration, choose colors and fonts, and design your logo, often spending hours, sometimes days, just to get it right. All of this takes significant time and resources, and there's always the possibility that the final design might not capture the vision you originally had. This can be frustrating for both entrepreneurs and designers alike. The problem with traditional branding: I've been a professional designer for over 15 years, and I've helped brands scale to 7 figures. One thing I know is that creating a brand from scratch isn't easy. You have to go through tons of revisions with clients, dealing with different opinions, sometimes wasting hours to clarify their vision. Even after all that work, there's no guarantee that the final result will be exactly what they had in mind. This is a significant challenge for anyone trying to build a brand on their own or with a team. The game changer, ChatGPT. But things have changed. With AI tools like ChatGPT, we can now speed up the entire branding process. The breakthrough is using ChatGPT to help brainstorm, visualize, and create brand assets in minutes. What once took weeks now takes hours. The power lies in generating visual concepts, refining ideas, and iterating quickly without the need for professional design software or multiple rounds of client revisions. You can get instant feedback, refine your direction, and even visualize the marketing materials like ads, websites, and product packaging in no time. Imagine the time and energy saved when you can go from idea to finished concept in a fraction of the time. The mood board method. Let me introduce the mood board method. It's a system I've developed that allows you to build out your entire brand's visual identity using ChatGPT and AI tools. It starts by focusing on the feeling you want your brand to convey before diving into specific details like colors and fonts. This step is essential because great brands evoke emotions. So, we begin with a brand vibe report. This document outlines the essence of the brand, which ChatGPT helps create based on your vision. Once you have your vibe report, ChatGPT will generate mood board images. These mood boards visually represent your brand's core feeling. You can then tweak the images and generate as many variations as needed. This ensures that you're aligned with your brand's identity before moving on to the next step. The cool part? You can use these mood boards for anything, whether it's a physical product, a digital service, or a personal brand. Once you're satisfied with the images, ChatGPT can deconstruct them into visual brand guidelines. These written instructions allow your team or any designer to replicate your vision without needing further clarification. The consistency from these guidelines makes the branding process incredibly efficient. Mock-ups and guidelines. Once the mood board and vibe report are in place, the next step is to create visual mock-ups of your marketing materials. From social media graphics to website designs, ChatGPT can help you visualize your marketing campaigns. Instead of spending hours designing and making tweaks, you can quickly generate ideas and choose which direction to go. ChatGPT even helps you break down elements like the background texture or color palette. These elements can be easily extracted and used for your marketing assets. I also use ChatGPT's project feature to upload all my work and keep it organized. With a paid ChatGPT account, this feature makes it easy to manage everything in one place. You can refer back to these mood boards and visual guidelines anytime, which streamlines the process of creating new assets as you build your brand. Visualizing campaigns. Another aspect of the mood board method is that ChatGPT doesn't just help you build the brand. It helps you visualize campaigns and marketing materials. Whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, or even a podcast graphic, ChatGPT can mock up designs that match your brand's style. What's even better is that it does this in minutes. With a few simple prompts, you can test different concepts, styles, and formats to find the best approach for your marketing. Clients often love seeing the mock-ups because they can immediately get a clear idea of how their brand will appear in the market. They no longer have to wait for designers to complete drafts before they can provide feedback. This keeps the entire creative process fast and efficient. the power of AI in branding. One of the greatest benefits of using ChatGPT is how it accelerates the creative process. The AI quickly pulls together elements of the brand, like fonts, colors, and imagery, and helps you iterate on them at lightning speed. This removes the tedious steps of design, allowing you to focus on high-level strategy and execution. Once you have got your mood board, it's almost like you're done with half of the work. The rest becomes smooth sailing with ChatGPT, whether you're designing a website, preparing ad creatives, or even launching a digital product. The key to success is figuring out how to leverage AI effectively. The mood board method allows entrepreneurs to move from concept to execution without the usual creative bottlenecks. It's fun, fast, and produces better results with less effort. Let's quickly recap what we covered. You've just learned how to build a high-ticket brand identity in minutes using ChatGPT and the mood board method. Here's your result, a professional, consistent brand that perfectly matches your vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Purpose on Autopilot for more automation and branding insights.